Looking for a healthy way to kickstart your mornings? Today I'm sharing 3 delicious Moringa breakfast ideas you can try at home. And if you want the easiest way to get all the benefits of Moringa, check out Moringa Magic Supplement. The link is in the description below. Now let's dive right in. First up, a refreshing Moringa smoothie bowl. Blend frozen bananas, spinach, almond milk, and a teaspoon of Moringa powder. Pour it into a bowl and top with granola, fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey. Not only does it taste amazing, but it's packed with vitamins and antioxidants to fuel your day. Next, let's make fluffy Moringa pancakes. Just add a teaspoon of Moringa powder into your pancake batter. Cook until golden and top with maple syrup or sliced bananas. This is a fun and nutritious twist on a breakfast classic. Plus, you get that beautiful green color. And for busy mornings, try Moringa overnight oats. In a jar, mix rolled oats, chia seeds, almond milk, honey, and a half teaspoon of Moringa powder. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, just grab it and go. It's creamy, filling, and super healthy. So there you have it, 3 simple, delicious ways to enjoy Moringa for breakfast. And remember, if you want an easy, convenient option, check out Moringa Magic Supplement. The link is in the description below. Start your mornings the healthy way and feel the difference. Subscribe for more healthy recipes.